What's going on, guys? It's Danny from Slow Restoration, and we have our black S10 shop truck, work truck, whatever you want to call it, back in the shop. We have another small problem with that, but we did get the G35 all finished up, cleaned up. It's looking good. Waiting for the owner to pick her back up. We did a complete stainless exhaust on this. We did the drilled slide rotors all the way around with new brake pads. We did the air intake system, the DC Sports, I think it was. Yeah, box sitting right there. DC Sports intake system worked out good. Like I said, we did the stainless exhaust system, the brakes, air intake system, oil change, and we had to actually pull the transmission out and do the slave cylinder and the master cylinder. So it's all finished up, and it's looking good. So now on to the S10 here. Let's see if I can make it do it. It's got a funny rattle as it runs. And I originally thought it was just the heat shield, but it's actually nice and tight. If I hold the heat shield and hit it, it still makes the same sound. So the muffler has an internal baffle. This truck has, that's broke loose. This truck has, I don't know, 270,000 miles on it, and it's still the original GM muffler, so it's still pretty good. So with that making noise, it's kind of annoying to hear, so we went to Amazon again and got another stainless steel total flow muffler, offset center, same as that, should fit right on there. So let's get the old one cut off, we'll get this one welded on, see how it sounds. I got someone making noise outside. Let's go see who it is. Man, you believe that guy? He was a subscriber and he just shows up and does the burnout in the driveway. Crazy. All right, now we got that noisy Duramax out of here. Let's get back to work. We got our safety glasses on for safety. We got our Sawzall here. We're gonna put our pole jack under it and we'll just cut as close to the, get that set up, as close to the muffler welds as possible, because this muffler is actually really close to fitting. Hopefully we don't have to add any pipe to either side, so we'll zip it here and zip it here in between this hanger and the weld on the muffler. We should be good. With that cut through, pull jack out of the way and get the muffler out. Throw this new one up in here. Yep, so we're actually overlapping, which is good. So we'll have plenty of room, won't need to add any. This is actually the 18-inch body off Amazon, the total flow muffler. This is 409 stainless steel, it's just not the polished version. Didn't really spend extra money on this thing for the polish, but since we have the muffler off, we got to start it up and see how it sounds straight piped. What do you think? How awful does a stock 4.3 2003 S10 with 269,000 miles? Let's see what she sounds like. Got a tone to it for sure, but we're putting the muffler on. We got our muffler in the position, got it leveled off. Of course it has to go, it's a tiny bit off, but we're actually going to just butt weld that because it's the same size pipe. It's got to go there and it's got to go back there, so it slips over the tailpipe, so everything looks good there. We got our welder set up. Let's go ahead and weld this up. All right, we got it all welded up. Down off the left and backed out. Looks good under there. You can see that or not. It's pretty dark. Let's fire it up and see how it sounds. It honestly doesn't sound a whole lot different than stock. A little bit more tone, but this is the bigger of their mufflers. The total flow mufflers is the bigger body, so it's going to be a little quieter. And it's not the chambered, it's the stainless steel packed. So there you have it. We're back on the road again. All right, guys. Like I said, we're getting caught up on a bunch of maintenance stuff. Really looking to get back on Project LS Extreme. Spring is just such a busy time of year. There's so much to do. There's so much to do, you can't get it all done. But anyway, we're really trying to get this truck done. So we're getting pretty much caught up on our maintenance stuff. Of course, with spring here, we're getting ready to drag the mowers out and stuff like that and get them fired up and get the grass cut for the first time. And soon we'll be opening the pool also. So it just takes a lot of time to do all this stuff. So if you like it, please subscribe. Have a good day.